If you want to get free watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you can do is you can simply use the wearable app on your smartphone that is paired with the Galaxy Watch 9. And then in here you can switch to the list of watch faces. And in here you can find a bunch of different watch faces that you can use pretty much for free. So you can try to find your favorite one and you should be able to set it up very easily. And let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. We also can, of course, customize it slightly. We have many different options to choose from. And let's say I'm gonna choose this one here. There is also this pen that we have in here that allows us to customize the wallpaper even further. Of course, keep in mind that these options vary depending on the watch face itself. But there are many different watch faces that we can set up that we can find in here. The list goes on and on and on, and I'm pretty sure you can find something for yourself. There is also the more watch faces section, which allows us to find even more examples. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.